Your shower should be refreshing and invigorating, but weak pressure and limited settings ruin the experience. This high-pressure shower head combo transforms your daily routine. The high-pressure design delivers powerful, satisfying spray even with lower water pressure. No more weak trickles wondering if you're getting clean. This complete combo includes both fixed and handheld units, providing incredible versatility. The 11-inch extension arm raises shower heads higher, perfect for taller individuals or better coverage. 3 spray settings customize experiences: concentrated massage working out muscle tension, gentle rain for relaxation, or something between. Anti-leak design means no annoying drips or water waste with reliable performance. Height and angle are fully adjustable so household members set personal preferences. Available in chrome or matte black, matching any bathroom decor. Installation is straightforward. No plumbers required, just standard tools and 30 minutes. Transform bathrooms into spa-like retreats. The link is in the description and comments.